Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of Seedworks International Limited. We are a seed research and development company engaged in research, production and marketing of hybrid seeds for rice, cotton, pearl millet, mustard, vegetables and fruits, and open pollinated variety seeds for rice, wheat and mustard. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution, directly or indirectly in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and Seedworks International Limited that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by influencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated February 11, 2025, DRHP. Seedworks International Limited's IPO consists of an offer for sale of up to 51,970,282 equity shares of face value of 2 rupees each. The offer for sale involves the sale of equity shares held by a promoter, investor selling shareholders, and individual selling shareholder, collectively are selling shareholders in the IPO, and the proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. Seedworks International Limited was incorporated on November 5, 2008 with its registered and corporate office at survey number 530/A, Gowda Valley Village, Medachal Mandal, 501403, Telangana, India. As per the report titled Independent Market Report on Seeds Industry in India, dated January 31, 2025, prepared and issued by Frost & Sullivan India Private Limited, exclusively commissioned and paid for by us in connection with the offer, FNS report. We are the second fastest growing Indian seed company in terms of revenues between fiscal 2021 and fiscal 2024, with a CAGR of 11.98% amongst the peers. Our emphasis on product development to drive innovation in seeds, demonstrated by our industry-leading R&D investments, has over the years led to the commercialization of product offerings with performance traits such as improved yield and disease tolerance, among others. Source: FNS report. We ranked 3rd in cotton seeds, 4th in hybrid rice, and 4th in pearl millet seeds, each in terms of volume of seeds sold in India in fiscal 2024. Source: FNS report. Our established presence in India is complemented by our footprint in the Philippines and Nepal. We are the 4th largest hybrid rice seed company in the Philippines in terms of volumes in CY 2023, with a volume market share of 12% in the hybrid rice category in CY 2023. Source: FNS report. We are also among the top 4 companies in the hybrid rice category in Nepal, with a market share of approximately 26% to 29% in CY 2024. Source: FNS report. We have also expanded our footprint in the African continent and intend to commence commercial operations in Kenya, Malawi, Burkina Faso and Nigeria, focusing on cotton and vegetable crops. Our advanced R&D and product development infrastructure plays a key role in creating superior seed solutions tailored to the evolving needs of farmers. We actively engage with farmers, providing them with education and guidance to enhance farm productivity and income. We have a dedicated team working closely with farmers, conducting outreach programs and on-field demonstrations. As on the date of the draft red herring prospectus, we have 4 trademarks registered under Class 31 in the name of our company, relating to our various brands including our Seedworks logo, which we use for marketing and branding our business, and 17 trademarks are registered with Philippine Intellectual Property Office in the name of Seedworks Philippines Incorporated, our material subsidiary. We currently operate a fully equipped and accredited quality control facility in Hyderabad, Telangana, spanning 7,500 square feet. We have 5 warehouses covering an aggregate area of over 125,000 square feet as of September 30, 2024. Investors should note the following important risks. Our business is sensitive to weather conditions, crop diseases, and pest attacks. Any adverse conditions, diseases, or pest attacks may adversely impact our product portfolio, which could have an adverse impact on our business prospects, results of operations, financial condition, and cash flows. We rely on our network of grower farmers to provide us with hybrid seeds for our production process, and an inability to effectively manage this network may have an adverse effect on our business, operations, and cash flows. If we are unable to successfully develop new varieties of seeds or expand our product portfolio through our R&D efforts, our business, financial condition, and cash flows may be adversely affected. Our business is seasonal in nature, and our results of operations and cash flows may fluctuate on a quarterly or seasonal basis. Our company and directors are involved in certain legal and regulatory proceedings. Any adverse decision in such proceedings may have an adverse effect on our business, financial condition, cash flows, and results of operations. The promoter of our company is True North Fund 5 LLP, who holds 65.86% of the pre-offer, issued, subscribed, and paid up equity share capital of the company on fully diluted basis. 30.52% of the issued, subscribed, and paid up equity share capital of the company on fully diluted basis is held by the selling shareholders, who are selling equity shares aggregating up to 51,970,282 in the offer. We have 7 directors on our board, comprising of 1 managing director and chief executive officer, 3 nominee directors, and 3 independent directors, including 1 woman independent director. Company's revenue from operations during the 6-month period ended September 30, 2024, 6-month period ended September 30, 2023, fiscal 2024, fiscal 2023, and fiscal 2022 was 4,075.02 million rupees, 3,246.91 million rupees, 5,226.88 million rupees, 4,883.07 million rupees, and 4,571.58 million rupees respectively. The operating EBITDA margin for 6-month period ended September 30, 2024, 6-month period ended September 30, 2023, fiscal 2024, fiscal 2023, and fiscal 2022 was 25.63%, 15.96%, 6.76%, 5.99%, and 11.01% respectively. The profit after tax for 6-month period ended September 30, 2024, 6-month period ended September 30, 2023, fiscal 2024, fiscal 2023, and fiscal 2022 was 702.48 million rupees, 289.39 million rupees, 49.51 million rupees, 53.63 million rupees, and 243.38 million rupees respectively, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 17.24%, 8.91%, 0.95%, 1.10%, and 5.32% respectively. Investors are advised to read the DRHP, including sections titled Summary of the Offer Document, Summary Financial Information, Restated Consolidated Summary Statements beginning on pages 23, 66, and 306 respectively of the DRHP for further information on financials and related information. There are outstanding litigation proceedings involving the company, subsidiaries, promoter, and directors. Any adverse outcome in such proceedings may have an adverse impact on our reputation, business, financial condition, results of operations, and cash flows. For further details, see outstanding litigation and material developments on page 436 of the DRHP. The selling shareholders will be entitled to the entire proceeds of the offer after deducting their respective portion of the offer expenses. Our company will not receive any proceeds from the offer, and all such proceeds will be received by the selling shareholders. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not more than 50% of the net offer to qualified institutional buyers, QIBs, not less than 15% to non-institutional bidders, NIBs, and not less than 35% to retail individual bidders. The offer includes a reservation for subscription by eligible employees. The equity shares will be listed on BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Equirus Capital Private Limited, DAM Capital Advisors Limited, and SBI Capital Markets Limited are the book-running lead managers to the offer. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated February 11, 2025 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Neither the company nor the promoter or the selling shareholder are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision.